Everybody, how is it going? In today's video, we're gonna talk about an if statement in programming language, but basically in Swift. So follow along with me. You see, I've been working with Playground, so let me just close this one and let us use our normal rules the way we used to. So go to Xcode, get started with Playground. I believe by now you guys already know how to create a Playground. Click next, and they'll ask me, do you want to replace? Yeah, I want to replace. So this is our Playground. So basically what let me just what is if statement? If statement is just something we use to compare two equations. If this one is equals to or less than this, let's have this output. Like for example, let me just say var my h is equals to 20, and if my h is less than, if my h is less than 20, print you are young. So let's see what's going to happen. So 20 is not less than 20, so we can't have this statement. So let's see, let's proceed. Else print you are not young. So let's see what is going to happen. So basically the first statement didn't happen because 20 is not less than 20, so the second statement have to happen. So this is how we use if statement in programming language. I can go along writing and again, try to turn things, try to twist things, like when you use it in games. If this statement is this, if this score is like this, print this one. If this one is this, don't print this one. If this one is, give this output. So basically this is how we use if statement in programming language. Like the one we are talking about today is in Swift, but other programming language, the other thing which is going to change in that programming language is just the syntax. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video with anyone, and if there's any comment or any video you really want me to talk about, or anything you really want me to talk about in any programming language like in Swift, basically just shoot me an email or just type the comment below. Until then, see you guys.